Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw a zigzag line in your documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your document on Bluebeam Revu, select the page here on the left hand side by navigating to thumbnails. I will go with page number 3 of that document. So what you want to do guys is navigate to the line feature here on the right hand side. And for example, draw any of these, for example, a straight line or a straight line with an arrow. I will go for solid straight line. Draw it on your canvas or document by setting the start point. Hold your left mouse and release your left mouse to set the end point of the line. As you can see, it is solid and it is not zigzagged. So how can you make it or convert it to a zigzag line? This is how you can do it, guys. What you need to do is right click into your toolbar here on the right hand side. And from there, what you want to do is make sure that the line style is enabled as a tool feature or tool in the toolbar here. If that's the case, what you want to do is make sure that the line is selected with your left mouse. And then at the top, what you want to do is navigate to the line style here. Click into the drop-down menu, scroll down and choose zigzag. And that is going to make it look like this. You will see the line preview here. And you can, for example, change its length by clicking into one of these points, the start or end point, and that's how you create a zigzag line on Bluebeam Revu without drawing it manually. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.